Hello students, I hope you all have seen my last video that was on the first chapter, India's size and location of geography class 9th. I have discussed some points there, some points still left from the first chapter, so I have decided to make the second video of the chapter 1, which the points which are left in the first video we'll discuss in this video, right? So I have written some important points in this video also, which are these are actually. Before starting the discussion of the first point, I want to tell you about the time zones. As you are knowing that there are the different time zones across the world. It is because of the rotation of the Earth. As you are knowing the earth rotates, and this is and earth complete one rotation in 24 hours, so we are getting the different time in different part of the world, same as in India. The time of the India is different from the time of USA, UK and other country also. It is because of the rotation only. So India also comes under a particular time zone. So we'll discuss about the time zone in this point. I have written here, there are the different time zones across the world due to the rotation of the earth. Now, how can you decide a particular point of time for a particular country? It's depend upon the change in the longitude. Whenever you can see the change in the longitude, you can see the change in the time also. And it is 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. If you will get the change of 1 degree in the longitude, it means you will see the change in the time of 4 minutes. It means if you see the 15 degree longitude change, you can see the change of 1 hour in time. So on the basis of this theory, we are calculating the time of the different countries across the world. As you are knowing, the longitudinal extent and the latitudinal extent of India is almost 30 degree, and you are knowing for the 15 degree change in the longitude, there will be the change of 1 hour. It means if you see, due to the longitudinal extent of 30 degree, the India can see the time gap of 2 hours from the westernmost point to the easternmost point. It means the person who is sitting in the Gujarat can see the time difference with the person who is sitting in Arunachal Pradesh of 2 hours. This is because of longitudinal extent. It is of 30 degree, right? Next is, so how can the India avoid this problem? It is not possible for any country to for the country to have the number of the different time zones. Okay, so to avoid this problem, the India has decided the standard time, and it is called standard meridian. In this one, the process is the method is to take the average of the both the meridian, which are the easternmost point and the westernmost point. If you take the average of the easternmost point and the westernmost point is 68 degree and easternmost point is 97 degree. If you take the average of the both the point, it will be near about 82 degree 30 minutes, and this is the this longitude is known as standard meridian, right? So I want to make you understand these all concepts through the figure only, right? I am going to explain all the points which I have discussed recently to you. This is the, suppose, a globe, and the midpoint of the globe, you can say, this is the 0 degree longitude, and it is known as prime meridian. And 0 degree latitude is equator. Now you can see, as I had told you in the last video also, plus 180 degree and minus 180 degree, and this is the 90 degree and this is the 90 degree. Why is 180 degree 180 degree? You are knowing the circle made the 360 degree at from the center to the circumference, right? The whole portion up, if you assume this point is 0, sorry, O, then whole this length will be divided in 180 longitude lines, right? But I have divided this space in 12 lines, because I told you from the 15 degree there will be the change in time of 1 hour. It means if you divide 180 degree total, you will get the 12 lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 12, right? It means there are 12 time zones. As I told you, India longitude starts from 68 degree. It means 15, 30, 45, 60, and India longitude start from here, and then after 98 it will here, and India longitudinal extent vary like this. It means if you assume 0 degree prime meridian longitude, so how much time difference from the prime meridian to the longitudinal extent of India? As I told you, that the difference is 68 degree, right? Start from here, and 97 degree. This is almost 30 degree difference. It means you can see the time change of 2 hours, because it will, whenever it will be divided by 50 degree, as I told you, 50 degree change, it shows the time difference of 1 hour. When you will divide 30 degree by 15, you will get the 2 hour. It means the time difference between the 2 points, that westernmost point and the easternmost point of the India, is 2 hours. It again I am describing, the person who is sitting in Gujarat can see the time difference with the person who is sitting in Arunachal Pradesh of 2 hours, right? It means in India only you can see the time difference of 2 hours. Now it creates a problem for the India if you see the two time zones in the same country. So for avoiding this problem, we have taken the average of both these points, the southernmost point, sorry, westernmost point, and the easternmost point. The westernmost point was 68 degree, and the easternmost point is 97 degree. If you take the average, it will near about 82 degree 30 minutes, and this line will be the standard meridian for the country. Standard meridian is the meridian which is the local meridian, you can say, for the country. It will show the local time of the country, and that is 82 degree 30 minutes, and it will be same for the all the places in the country, right? The time will be same for all the places in the whatever the timing will be on the 82 degree 30 minutes, it will be what? Same for the country. Right. Suppose if 12, if 2 p.m. at the prime meridian, what will be the timing in the country? Right. What is the how much difference from the prime meridian in India? 82 degree, right? It will divided by 15 degree. How much it will come? 5 hours 30 minutes. It means the difference of timing from the prime meridian in India is 5 hours 30 minutes. It is what? 5 hours 30 minutes. So I have explained all the time zones for you. So please go through this video. So whatever point you have, I have discussed with you with the figure, I have written here, right? What I have written here, 0 degree longitude is known as the prime meridian. It is also called Greenwich meridian, passes through the London in UK. Next point is the longitude which is used to describe the local time of a country is called standard meridian or standard time. It should be same for whole country. Now, next point is longitudinal and latitudinal extent of India is almost 30 degrees. I have discussed already. And due to the longitudinal extent, we could see the time difference of 2 hours in the westernmost point and the easternmost point places of the country. Next important point, to avoid this time gap, we have taken the average of longitude of the both the places, that is 82 degree 30 minutes, which I have written all the points I have already discussed with the figure. Please go through this one, and I am 100% sure if you see this video sincerely, you will be able to understand the time zones are across the world. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.